All right. Hello, everybody. My name is Robert Thewison.
Jacob Smoot.
Very nice. And we've got question 5 for both Prep 1 and Prep 2, but this video will only be Prep 1. So the question states, how does the Five Kingdom scheme differ from the whole life phylogeny based on gene sequence data? I guess just to preface this, this was a pretty tough question for us. Anyway, so yeah, we're excited to talk about it and also see what you guys have to say about it as well. So I guess the Five Kingdom scheme, I'll talk about that for a second. That's where we have scientists split up a phylogeny tree and organisms based off of characteristics. The first one was prokaryotes, which is like bacteria. And then you have another one, which was another subdivision, which was eukaryotes. And that one actually had 4 different types of branches coming off of it, with ones you're familiar with, like uh, protists, animals, plants, and fungi.
Yes. So that tree, as described by my buddy here, Robert, um, it's a pretty basic tree. This is kind of like what was first like created as a phylogeny tree, but over time and as science has advanced, through gene sequencing and um, being able to find like genetic codes and everything, there has been a lot of extensive work done to create a more complex and more, um, I guess, correct phylogeny tree, which is the whole life phylogeny tree. And this just separates the kingdoms even further. It goes into prokaryotes, eukaryotes, and also archaea. Um, it's still a big debate, but basically through genetic like data and tests that they've done, they're saying that archaea and the eukaryotes are most closely related, but this is still kind of up for debate. So, but the biggest difference is just that with like this diversification, we're allowed to see more of like the relationships between the different kingdoms, instead of it just being so like it's this one or that one. So
Yeah, I guess maybe the only thing I would add as well is I don't know. I guess when they would do like the gene sequencing, is that they would see that these prokaryotes, when they would test 2 different prokaryotes, they noticed that, wow, these prokaryotes and their gene sequence and maybe their protein expression or whatever, they actually differed, more largely in the prokaryote system than say a prokaryote eukaryote. Anyway, so I think that this idea that the whole life phylogeny, um, like like Jacob said, is just a lot better. So and it does encompass a lot more, and it might maybe seem a little more complex, but I just think it allows scientists to better classify things. So there you go.